On National Maritime Day, the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways salutes our brave seafarers whose unwavering dedication keeps global trade moving and sustains our nation's economic lifelines. At a time of grave crisis in the Middle East, their courage, resilience and sense of duty stand as a beacon of strength, navigating uncertainty while ensuring the uninterrupted flow of essential goods. Let's hear from our blue heroes who have just returned in the wake of this global crisis.
Myself, Prathamesh Chemburkar, sailing as chief officer. I was in a terrible incident on motor tanker CFC Vishnu, where we were attacked by the Iranian and our vessel got burnt and destroyed. In that, many of us managed to jump into water and save our lives. After being rescued, then we had contacted and approached our office and also the Indian Embassy. From there, our Indian Embassy along with DG Shipping ensured that we were safely repatriated back to India, and also that because our vessel got burnt, all of our documents and everything got burnt along with the vessel. But DG Shipping makes sure that we get our new documents so that we can sail back again in future without any problems. So we are again thankful to our Indian Embassy and DG Shipping India to stand alongside us seafarers and not leave us in this difficult situation and be present with us, and all other seafarers who are presently also trapped in difficult situation in Persian Gulf.
My name is Saeem Sharma. I'm second engineer on CFC Vishnu. I'm very thankful for Embassy and the DG Shipping for helping us in repatriation to India during this difficult time. As you all aware, the incident happened in the Iraq waters due to the Iranian drone hit our vessel. And after that, we managed to save our lives. And during this difficult time, we asked help from our company, DG Shipping and Embassy, and they help us in every possible way.
Good morning, sir. I am Captain Dheeraj Kumar Agarwal, and I wish to convey my heartfelt thanks to the Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways, the Director General of Shipping, and the Shipping Corporation of India for their prompt vigilance and tireless effort in ensuring the safe passage of our vessel Nanda Devi. Carrying 46,000 metric ton of LPG, we sailed through the Strait of Hormuz, a region under the strain of war, missile, drone and constant danger.
The ministry is closely monitoring the evolving situation and is in constant coordination with all relevant ministries. We remain firmly committed to safeguarding our seafarers as they undertake challenging operations in foreign seas during these testing times.